Want to level up your studying with digital flashcards? Today, I'll show you how to create interactive flashcards in Notion to make learning easy and effective. First, let's set up a simple database for your flashcards. In Notion, type database and select inline view to get started. Name your database and hide the title. Now, let's add some properties to make our flashcards functional. Rename your title property to questions. Add a text property and name it answer. Add a status property. You can set different statuses. Add a checkbox and name it Show Answer. We will use this to hide and reveal the answer. Now, create a formula named Answer Reveal. The formula will be a simple if statement that shows the correct answer when the checkbox is checked and is empty when the checkbox is unchecked. You can also add a select property named Topic to categorize your flashcards by subject. Those are all the properties you need to make your flashcards functional. To make reviewing easier, switch to Board View. Hide some properties. Only show the Show Answer checkbox and the Reveal Answer formula properties. Your database is ready. You can now go ahead and create flashcards. When learning, checking the Show Answer checkbox will reveal the answer. Create a topics filter to show only flashcards for the selected topic. Create buttons to auto-show and hide all answers. Create a button and name it Show Answers. Click New Action and edit pages in, and select your flashcards database. Click Edit a property and select Show Answer. Set it to Checked. Repeat for Hide Answers button. Instead of setting Show Answer to Checked, set it to Unchecked. Add icons to your buttons. And that's how you can create powerful flashcards in Notion. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know, what will you be using Notion flashcards for? Template link in the description.